my point is that, yeah, I'm not the best student, but the dance floor is the one place I get to be a genius.
5 minutes till the curtain goes up, and how I hate myself for thinking of you. So in the past, but the memory lasts of how you hated everything that I do. You never paid attention to dreams I mentioned. You just go out your way to simply ignore. You'd say you're never gonna make it, bring your feet back down to the floor, but no more. Now my bed is playing. Place on it that I'd rather be. Center stage and the band starts to play, and the entire world is feeling the heat. But I don't feel the pressure, it's so familiar. I ran the scene a million times in my head. I took the pain.
It's immortality, my darlings.